I'm actually good.
Got a guy here.
Don't need a loadout.
On the buy station, Dave?
Yep, just came in. It's right here. You broke him. To the right.
Jump over.
To the right, Nate. You're running past him.
Nate.
Guy above?
Yep. Up in the hills. He's on the. I think he's on the top of this. Yeah, he's coming to the right. To the right. To the right. He ran by.
Pick the car.
I think there's two.
Drop the money.
I've heard some plates.
Setting waypoint. You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Car coming up again.
Good
That's
plan,
a
bud.
strange choice.
That was strange. Careful, that's gonna blow up soon.
Yeah. Downed one. In the back of the truck. Broke the other one.
Down one at the top that I marked.
Indicating waypoint.
You gonna res there? No fucking way. Oh, they did. They're running left.
Tag him if you can.
They're running up the hill. Down another one.
Moving as ordered.
The hill.
Acknowledge waypoint
Copy,
4.
I'm on it.
Target appears hostile.
Got him.
Oh, somebody just did some dirty snipies.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Friendly
Three
UAV
people
overhead.
behind me.
us.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're all in the sky. One's in the sky at least. Right there.
They might
Oh, it's
snipe on
close,
him now.
close. They're rushing. They're coming our way.
He ran away.
Yeah, they went back the other way.
That's rappers
We
still.
barely hear it. Oh, yeah. Cars to our right and left. Bertha behind us.
Contract complete.
Somebody buy it.
Higher payout.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry.
Setting waypoint.
All good. Wait, somebody leave me a little money so I can get something.
Car.
Car.
Oh
Two.
boy.
I'll take the wheel. Be advised. Enemy team.
Broke him. Fuck!
Got him.
God, how does he finish me so fast?
I'm not gonna be able to get that.
You gave him a proper sword.
Airstrike.
Marking target location.
Oh, we got a guy in.
Might be a guy in our building, yeah. He might be waiting for us to come in. Broke him.
Explosive charge,
I think it's one.
I bounced a
No.
fucking flash off his head. He was downed.
Rezzed.
It's a team.
Another one.
Contact. Got gas in.
He got sniped.
Jesus Christ.
Or sniping somebody else. No, you.
Wow. That was the best. At that point, I guess there's no.
Yeah, right. I'm gonna die anyway.
Might as well get somebody in there.
Does anyone need this? Move to that vehicle.
Clock ticking. target. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, fuck.
No way.
Of course.
Setting vehicle.
It's right by the loadout. You can grab your loadie in that car. Might even be pushing to where you won't get it, but whatever. At least get your loads
Yeah.
off.
Parachute behind you? Just ran a guy over. Take his
Oh,
booty
you
real
could
quick.
take the birdie.
He's looting him, I think. Yeah, he's coming back.
Oh, he tried to see for you. That is fucking awesome, Dave.
What a loser.
He does not like that.
Nah, you can't like that.
Sad to drive
Great
right by your
patience.
loadout. But you might get to this.
It's tight.
Ah, yeah, you got it.
It's inside.
Yeah. Nah. It's inside the stadium, yeah, but
Nicely done.
Enemy UAV overhead. Got gas moving in.
Just roll left.
Hard left. Yeah.
guy here. Went around the corner.
Another.
Reloading.
Light up.
Gas is closing in. Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Come here, buddy.
They're right on me.
Drop it in. Oh, they are. Running next to each other.